learning. And today I can't find this in.
You're probably wondering, why is this girl here with the wig cap on? The reason why is because I don't know how to do my own hair. And I don't know how to do anything that most girls know how to do, actually. Should I put my mom for that? Nah, I'll let her slide this time. But I am here because my goal is to learn how to woman. I'm gonna learn how to woman properly. And the first step to that is learning how to do my own hair. I got this Kinky straight wig off of Amazon. I'm also gonna be doing a review to see if this wig is good or not. But I just got one. I'll link it if y'all want the same one. But I just got it. I'm like, you know what? I need something to practice on. So I got that wig to practice on. And we're gonna try to do a hairstyle ourselves. I'm terrified. I'm actually terrified. Like, whenever I do my own hair, it looked like I did my own hair. And if you know what that means, you know that means it looked like Like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just put the wig on and do what I saw the girl in the video do. Cause I'm gonna just I am gonna cut layers because I'm like bold as hell. Or should I not cut layers? Cause this is only like 16 inches. Okay, so this is the wig on. It's a glueless wig already. Like, it's a ready-to-go wig. The thing about glueless wigs is that with wig caps, they're clockable. You feel me? Like, it's a clockable thing. Like, I'm clocking myself right here. I'm being clocked. All right, let's actually focus. Should I do layers or should I just try to do the flexi rods? I'm gonna let it pick for me. Let's spin. This is how I decide everything. This is probably how I decided to make America a country. Okay, this one was layers. See, learning to be a woman. I didn't say I was gonna make a stick test today. You feel me? I've always seen people just do layers like that. Should I do the same here? How the hell am I supposed to cut the other side? I didn't think about that. How do people just cut the other side when they're doing layers? Okay. Okay. I didn't feel like that was at all the same thing. No, it wasn't. Okay, we're gonna be just... This side I could do easy because it's like, that's my hand I can do it with. But like this side, my layers are gonna be so choppy and nasty. Oh, goodness gracious. Did not think of that. Saw a girl when she was doing it like this. Saw her do that too. This is why I don't do my own hair, because I start panicking. It starts already feeling super hard. And I'm doing it in front of an audience now. So, yay! Okay. Finally, I cut an actual freaking layer. I was able to cut very light layers. I think I might go in a little more. I know I said I wouldn't, but trusting a Nigerian woman is kind of like, you know, kind of dangerous. I'm going to keep these flexi rods in. I don't know if I should use mousse or not. I only saw the people use liquid, so I'm just going to use liquid. And everyone I saw was saying curl away. Wait, curl away or curl? I think everyone was saying curl away from your face. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, guys, so I have all my hair flexi rod. I'm going to see, because I always hair Kinky straight hair doesn't hold a curl. So hopefully, because I'm doing it this way, it will. I will not have the results for you guys until later, so.
Yeah, much later.
Hopefully I did this right. I mean, it was only like 2 steps. Water and roller and flexi rods. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't have done it like that. As I do it again. I'm just hoping like it evens things out. I don't have a big brush. I don't know why I only brought this brush. Remember, I don't know how to do my own hair, so don't drag me. Please don't drag me. Okay. A little better. This is spooky. I'm getting spooked. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This I don't know if I love it or not yet. I gotta like try to play with it. This side curled better. What did I do differently on this side? This is why I don't do my own freaking hair. I don't have time to play the guessing game with my hair. But that's what this series is about, learning. And today I learned that this is just a mess. I don't even know how to play with it. Like, I just did all that powder for no reason. Can I turn to the side and it look, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know what to do, guys, because this is the best I can really do. I can't get it straight without a straightener. It looks like blown out natural hair, which I don't hate, but the look itself, like, it looks incomplete. And I didn't bring any backup plans. I was genuinely confident in the flexi rods. I literally saw a girl do it like that. Like, are people lying on the internet? I literally saw a girl wet her hair, put flexi rods, and the next day it was fine. So, like, what is this? I have so many things to do this week. Never experiment when you have important things to do. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna have to try this again. For now, it's a flop. Alright, we're gonna try this again. This time we're gonna use mousse. Okay. Let's see. Let these sit overnight and let's see. I think this time we got something.
The following day.
All right, we're gonna try this one more time. I let it dry. I put mousse this time. I didn't just use water. I let it dry. It might be a little windy. Sorry, guys. All right, let's do this. Okay, it actually curled this time. This actually ate! I ate! Wait, this actually looks freaking good. Wait, actually, guys? Book me! Book me for your hairstyle! Like, okay. So, in conclusion, I fucking ate. Not on here. On here, I look freaking amazing. Like, I'm gonna link this hair in my bio. I got this from Amazon. It was literally a wear and go glueless wig. I didn't cut anything. It came like this, except for the curls. The curls is all me, honey, boo boo, cha. I freaking ate down. Like, ate freaking down. I don't know how to make this look less wiggy over here, but it doesn't look that bad actually. I'm gonna like try to like clean the part up a little bit with some powder. I have my, oh, you know what though? It really didn't look that bad, but you guys, I almost crashed out and cried yesterday just for my hair to come out cute today. Thank you, God. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, because listen, we are all in this together, learning how to woman. It's not easy. So now that I know that this is how I can curl my kinky straight hair, and now you know how to curl kinky straight hair too, we've learned together. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, by the way, and share with your other friends because we all want to know how to do this. See you guys next time. Bye.